If you wanna see what it can do, stay with me. So hello all, welcome to my channel. This is tiny Fnirsi LCR P1 LCR meter. As you see on my hand, it's very small. With him you will get probes, these three, very handful to have them. USB-C charging cable, plug-in for as you can see, for SMD components. So you can solder here different SMD components and test them. First, what I'm going to test is this crocodile clamp to banana plug cable. So let's see what is resistance of this cable. What this instrument says about resistance of this cable. 3.1 ohm, quite high resistance, I would say. I should check that with another Fnirsi, but very precise, low ohm, quite precise, you see, result, very nice. So we know it's 3 ohm. Now it's time to test 0.1 ohm, which should be shown as 3.2 ohms on this instrument. 3.1, again same. We can accept that. Let's see what it will say about 0.5 ohm. 3.5 ohm. Okay, so this tester count cable as 3 ohms and adding result to it 3.5 ohm. 100 kilo ohm. 100 kilo ohm. Quite okay. 1 mega ohm. It's okay. 10 mega ohm. 339 nanofarad, correct reading. This is high voltage, 220 microfarad. Quite nice measurement and precision is very nice, if you ask me. Test. .3 millifarad, which is 3,300 microfarad. Very nice CSR. Now we have here one MOSFET. Field effect tube, NA MOS, N-channel MOSFET, RDS 0.2 ohm. Enough information about it and showing correct leg order. That is nice. Now this is triac and it detects it as thyristor. It's not thyristor. This is something I don't like. It detects this element as thyristor. It's not thyristor, it's triac. BTA 16. So you see marking. It's new one, never used, so this is triac, not thyristor, and instrument set. And usual small LCR meters like this one, transistor testers, component testers, let's see, usually do this mistake. It's not minus for Fnirsi. I just wanted to see Does Fnirsi finally solve this issue? But it's not. It's wrong. Another hard job for transistor testers. But I wanna know if this element working. So if it is working, it should tell me what is it and how it works. You see, this is dB3 diac. It's showing it as a capacitance. How it handle inductance? This is very low. Inductance like 50 microhenries. Values resistance. It does not know. Fnirsi in guide said 25 picofarad is lowest. This is 33 picofarad plus minus 10%. So let's see what Fnirsi will say for it. 34 picofarad, so they didn't lie. Below 25 picofarad you cannot go. Above 25 picofarad it's okay to measure any capacitance. It measures 14 volts, it should be 15 volts, so I'm not quite sure if that is correct measurement, but another one, 14.26, I would say. And another one, it says for every of these diodes there should be 15 volts, but at my knowledge when you use in circuit these Zener diode, they always show something slightly different. Then it's written on them. So what is important? It's working. It also supports the coding. Look at just for your reference, this is how it looks inside. Here, big connector for a display itself. I think main chip is from other side. And now this is another side. USB-C port, a little voltage regulator here. Main CPU, of course, laser brushed switches, one relay for I don't know, maybe when you're going to check Zener diode, infrared sensor. These are ports. From this side you have a voltage booster for 50 volts for Zener diodes, battery 3.7 volts, 300 milliampere hours, not big one. Easy to replace it. As you see, battery is protected. It have its protection circuitry inside, so good to know. Price of this instrument vary. I paid it like 28 euros. Today it's 19 euros on same platform. So use links below the video to buy this if you want, but there are cheaper testers which work exactly same as this one. So think twice before you buy it. It's good one, it's working, it do the job properly. Do I recommend this? Of course I do. It's good one to have it. But if you have any version of LCR, small pocket LCR meters already purchased, don't don't lose your money for this one. It does not offer you anything bigger than any other LCR meter I've seen so far, and I've seen many. Thank you for watching this, and see you soon with next video. Bye bye.